Sesulakazi ndakayifuna.
Akayazi.
Futhi bona ngathi yashisa, mara akashisa.
Andekashisa. Uthusudla in many ways. Usho ukuthi lento yakhe ingake. That's why. Yo.
Bekwenu njani? Bekwenu njani?
Angazi wena example yalesihlahla.
Awukho nahali shem.
Ngorini usuzothola perfect match.
Bebe ngeke ngithole cause nonke nibabi nje lana akekho nozamayo.
Ngizekini guys. Ngizeki I mean angisazi. Ithi ngiyoshanga le.
Yeah, it's not nice, Papa. I told you, you can eat Movite with pap, mix them together and make something like porridge pap Movite something.
Hey, what's good people? Support here, Mr. Blessings, guys. We're back again with another banger. As you can see here, guys, we've got 4 gents versus 4 girls. On today's video, guys, we're shooting Find Your Perfect Match. If intombazana yakala.
What?
If intombazana yakala vele. Yeah, out. Usikhombe perfect match yabo.
Okay. Fere bafethu lo mfana ohlanyayo bathi inqondo yakhe ayisebenzi ngisazobatshela. Vele my brain is unemployed. Dango.
That's a bar. That's a bar. If they don't feel it, they're not hot like us.
Sharp, right?
Yeah. Perfect match lo bafethu.
Oh, you choosing her.
Yeah, I'm choosing her.
So when are you choosing him? Tall, that dark and handsome.
I choose. Yeah.
So it's a yes.
Yeah, it's a yes.
Oh, it's Anthony. Let's go. Hey, shorty, mommy. Close combat perfect match. Try intro fell.
Name is Angel. Hello.
Tanaya.
Fere.
Yambon.
Ayambon.
Yeah. But it's caramite.
So
to choose a ngisho. So when are you choosing him?
yeah, perfect match.
Yeah. Him. So katwele vile uskomora.
What are you saying, man?
Katwele vile uskomora. Hey, ezandleni. Yanenzo nyoma. Was called the perfect match out.
What up YouTube? This is a boy Lati King abangaziwa ngibiza ngo big because I'm big in many ways, guys. Okay, guys.
That's a bar. That's a bar. If they don't feel it, they are not hot like us.
Ene pengi mupa ne gift yabo. Kobo. Yo. Mangiyamupa Mr. President.
Hey, kandula.
Ngidana mara ngike ngifuna umuntu say president.
Awuba ngathi awazi into ifuna.
Okay, ngidana Mr. President.
Boy. Okay. You must know what you want as a man. So, are you choosing him? Say yes. This is ngapha manje. Hayi siyeke nje.
Oh, makangekho Mr. Blessing masikhuluma makangekho.
If akekho uyakwazi ukushaya ngestina.
Okay, nala like abekho abantu bayethi namhlanje nje bonke.
Cameraman ungathatha i-cameraman.
Abekho.
So na vele skip.
Angeke man.
Because if awuna make value eliminate.
Kungcono bafuna bonke.
Kanti banjani bahle bavuthela abantu laba camera. Bahle labantu.
Yabona manje mawuzocala mawufuna sikhulume. Yabona manje mawufuna sikhulume. Angeke.
Why ungamfuni lo? What's the reason? Wangangifuni.
Ngizo cela umveze.
Yes.
If boy intombazane bozomvuma.
Shape nayi.
If beka intombazane bekubozomvuma wena.
What?
Ngawo Mr. Blessing phendula umbuzo.
I can never be a
Phendula umbuzo. Phendula umbuzo.
Umbuzo something.
Angicela usendezele mic la. Njengoba wena
Phendula.
Njengoba wena uze lana ugcoke angazi ama-morning or yini usuzothola i-perfect match.
Bengeke ngiyithole cause nonke nibabi nje lana akekho nozamayo. Yazi lo bengamthuza intwana yami. Hayi wena.
Intwana yakho.
Intwana yami like.
Na uyavuma.
Like there's no
Intwana yakhe.
there's no
Amtshela
mamela.
Ayilo ukuthi usenze chips elibabakhe sila.
Hayi lapho.
Ake masuke ke. Nana maka movie shoot vele movie. Maka movie shoot movie. Awungamfika.
Nambana yazwa uyaphapha. Akazazi. Wangikhuluma nawe. Yekuyineke endabeni zabantu. Fuck.
September le.
Bekwenu njani? Bekwenu njani?
Angazi wena example yalesihlahla.
Ngingcono.
Hayi wena shem. Like yabo i-horror movie ne. Ibetter kunalento le.
Ukayibona wena.
I-wrong turn.
Ukayibona wena in life.
Ivanda lokugcina le.
Kungcono
Ilele kitchibheka yabo wena. Noma bangathi yo strip eJoburg angeba kunikeze next.
Ungangenza bakini.
Okay, hayi
Ungangenza bakini.
So vele awuna time. Or ungazazi ukuthi ufunani.
No ngiyazazi ukuthi ngifunani baki. Nalo nomunye incedwa yile brand ayigqoka.
Osikhombela lo sisi akazi into akayifunayo.
Ngithi aviator that's what up YouTube. This is your boy Sijo Lamondra Lama 1.1 Muratata. One man one bullet can't tholakala. Bathi ngesingamla I'm happy ngithi test of joy. Damn man. Kusho ukuthi ngifuna lo sisi lo yamara ay lo sisi lo naye. Ngathi slow lena. Angunderstand. Ubambela kude. Bekuyabaleka. Sorry sesi. Angifuni ukukushela.
Ngathi angishela.
Ya manje wayi. Hello.
Ngilwe napha.
Yo.
Hello.
Ya huye lo Mr. Bling ngiyamzama kahle
Sisi lo akazi into akayifunayo.
Oh akayazi.
First of all ubona ngathi ayashisa, mara akashisa.
Manje akashisa.
Imagine first of all bheka lapha kaza. Obviously la cameraman.
Angeke ngibe nezibune ezidlula umzimba. Ngiyislender.
Wonde ngathi Biltong. Ngicela size ngapha ngishaya istina.
Bathi apha amabele. Indoda yakhe ibambana unganamabele.
Udlala iManchester lo amboni. Ngiyakhona ukulanda umuntu ongaphandle. Ngicela ukuzama. Ngizekini guys. Hayi mina ngisazi. Ithinyo shanga le. Hayi abo aviator. And then nonke nibalekani kho fresh. Nizenza cheap ngapha nya.
special sase box.
Yeah, kanti ya ish.
Ufukushaya ngestina.
Marasas.
Na uyavuma ukushaya ngestina?
Phangisha phansi
Ha?
nje
Yamfuna.
namthatha
So ufuna bani?
trim next time.
Yes, not nice.
Show price. Show price.
Ne light iPhone nje ngamkhipha la angeke iPhone la iyajema.
Yes, lengoma leyo ukuthi bamthathile ulavi qala
Kahle ngathi bayakudlela.
Bangidleli yabo.
Phambi kwawo.
Ntwana inkinga la bengibambisa yabo.
ngithi uyabona uthi usidudla in many ways usho ukuthi lento yakhe ingake that's why
In English
okay bye bye
yeah bye bye.
Let's go on the last couple. Hakinyana. Bafu angathi bakuchuzanga wena. Bye bye. Let's go next couple. Laba ngathi amathoyi la. Hakinyana. Orisinyana. Yani ngapha. Let's go. Kanti sena mamaji.
Yeah. Yes, not
nice.
He is always hunting, guys.
Bathini it's the last option.
Yeah, yabo guys, anoma ubani wenza lento engenzayo.
laba sibabiza ngoTom noJerry
Let's go. Last couple. Uke usikhomba ukuthi indoda baba. Kuka him. Amashita ngathi ngiyeke. Guys, this is the end of the video, guys. Don't forget, subscribe. Dango.